And we are live. Welcome, everyone. Welcome to the Friday stream. Welcome to Dino. I saw you joining the first time. Well done. Kian, welcome. Ivan, welcome. Welcome, everyone. I hope you're all doing well. Henderson, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Ivan. Welcome, everyone. If you're watching for the first time, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. We do these streams very often. And also make sure to click on the like on this stream. So on the bottom left, click the like button. Morning to Benson. Morning, morning. Hope you're all doing well. Today we're going to be doing a few breakdowns on different pairs. We're going to be doing gold and pound pairs. And like always, we're going to be giving away a few accounts, okay? So make sure you stay tuned. I might pick any of you at random. Good morning, Smart MJ. We're going to break down gold. Let me just get rid of a few things. There we go. Kadri, welcome, welcome. So, what's your final analysis for the week on gold? I'm gonna let you guys know for sure very shortly. Just make sure you like the stream if you're watching right now. Yeah, Mahfuzah, welcome, welcome. Yeah, so we're gonna look at gold. Let's get right into gold. Gold, if you were watching the stream last night, I did say look out for the 4024 level, and if it breaks above and closes above, there's a likelihood of it maybe reaching the next level. Well, it did break above and it closed above 4024. So let's just say you were to buy it at the level and you close somewhere around this area, you would have made a few pips. However, not something that I took personally. I'm more interested in shorts when it comes to gold at this moment. Considering the fact that my target is still 3870, right? 3870 is the target for the shorts. And right now it's somewhat in a consolidation. Okay. Gold at the moment, you can see at these zones. Okay. It's just respecting these zones at the moment. So literally in somewhat of a consolidation. And so when it comes to shorts, a level that I'm looking at right now is this level. Let's see if we can get a break below 3992. If we can get a break below and a close below, we could target the next zone and possibly further on downwards. Okay, very simple. Welcome, Moyo and Abuzar. Welcome. Yeah, so like I said, that's literally what we're looking for right now in terms of shorts. If we're looking at shorts, 3992 is the level we're looking at for it to close below, for us to consider a short towards 3954. And so let me put it in the text form. Okay, very simple. Again, this is not financial advice. This is just analysis. Okay, but we're going to look at 3990, see what it can do. If it breaks below, closes below, Next zone would be 3954 and then 3926. Hello to Heptala and Ariane. Welcome. Make sure you're liking the stream again. Once again, if you're watching, click on the like button. But yeah, 3990 key level we're looking at. Let's see how it moves. And like I said, long term, 3870 is the target. Okay. So we're going to come back to gold. We're going to move on to pound JPY. Okay. Pound JPY currently above a resistance zone. This zone here, it's just literally below it at the moment. In terms of GJ, a level that I look at is 202.382. If we can get a close below 202.388, maybe we could start going in for sales. But at the moment, nothing there. Absolutely nothing there. Pound USD. Let's have a look. Pound USD currently on a support zone. Okay. Very simple. It's the second time it's testing the zone as of recently. And so right now it's just a wait and see game. Okay. We need to see how it reacts to this zone. I'll come back to pound USD though. Pound Swiss, consolidation, not interested. Pound CAD, a little bit of a consolidation as well, not interested. Pound New Zealand, we do have a zone here. Let me see. There we go. Maybe another one as well. Right here. So seems to be respecting this zone. In terms of if I'm interested in a short position, I would look at how it reacts below 2.29400. If we can get a close below, then we could target the next zone. Possibly. Okay. But let's see. Let's see. Pound AUD. Guys, if you have any questions, I'm going to answer your questions as soon as I'm done with the analysis. Rylex, welcome. I haven't seen you before. Yeah, so pound AUD again, we have consolidation. Not interested. USD JPY. USD JPY, let me bring up this zone. You see that it's still in the zone, like it's in the area that it's respecting at the moment. Okay. So if I'm interested in going short, I'd have to wait for a close below here, 153.884, for me to target this zone, 153.161. But right now, it's a wait and see. It could easily break above, considering the fact that I do expect gold to have some sell-offs. I wouldn't be surprised if USD JPY breaks above this zone and continues higher. Euro USD consolidation, not interested. New Zealand dollar, New Zealand USD, currently in a support zone. Okay, in a support zone. Let me get rid of this. Yeah, so currently in a support zone. In terms of buys, if I'm interested in a buy, 057346. A close below this, a close above, sorry, this zone, 057338. I'd be interested in buys targeting the upside. But nothing at the moment. Back to gold. Let's go back to gold. We're only interested in gold at the moment. Like I said, gold, if it closes below 3990, we'd be interested in shorting towards 3957. Something tells me gold might consolidate for a little bit, but let's see. Yeah, that's it for the analysis. Nothing special going on right now. Just waiting for a few things to set up. Guys, if you have any trading questions, now's the time to drop in the questions whilst we wait for gold to give us a setup potentially. Gold is bullish bias. Yeah, I mean, if we get, so in terms of bullish, the bullish side of things, if I'm looking to go long with gold, what I'm looking for really at this point, close above this level. Okay. Close above 4057. I'd be interested in going long. If you want to be a little bit more risky, I would say 4026. But right now, that's just a safe bet. We don't trade when it's consolidation. Yeah, I don't really look at a pair if it's consolidating, if it's going sideways. Okay, I just let it pick up again for me to consider breaking it down and, potentially trading it. Guys, if you have any questions, now's the time. I'm going to be answering all your questions. Buy at support, sell at resistance, confirmation, what it takes. I wouldn't really recommend trading simply based off of support and resistance zones. It's not really something that you can rely on its own. It's part of an overall system. So when it comes to support and resistance zones, it's something that you should keep in mind, right? Something that you should keep in mind, but it is not something that you should use as the only thing. Okay. So make sure you're not just trading off of support and resistance zones. Have that as a massive confirmation, right? Keep that in mind, but it shouldn't be the only thing you're looking at. Okay. Australian JPY. Not really looking at that pair, Arian. At the moment, we might do in the future, but right now, sticking to the pound pairs, gold, Euro USD, New Zealand dollar as well, and USD JPY. Do you have any giveaways? I'm looking for a challenge account from AquaFunded long time. Yeah, we're going to be doing some giveaways shortly. So don't worry, we're going to be giving away some accounts. You might win, you might not win. How can I easily pass a prop firm? Explain about risk management. I mean, risk management is different for everyone else. Okay. Risk management is different for everyone else. How you use that in terms of risk management would be different. I recommend starting off with 1 to 2% risk management. Okay. Sir, I want to trade futures once. Really want to experience. I'm good at my analysis. I mean, yeah, why not try it? Why not? Welcome, Mohammed. Guys, we are approaching the 3990 shortly with gold. Once it reaches that level, we're gonna look at what we can do. Maybe go short. It is Friday's last trading day of the week, so we gotta be careful. How are you? I'm good, Juliet. Welcome to the stream. I haven't seen you before. Welcome. Again, make sure if you're watching for the first time that you click on subscribe and you click on the notification bell. Okay. Sir, when your account is in a drawdown, does it make you panic? No, no, it does not make me panic. When you are in a drawdown, which is something that every trader would experience, regardless of experience, um, you shouldn't be panicking. It's just part of it. It's impossible, not impossible, but it's very unrealistic to expect to place a trade and immediately, it goes towards your TP. Okay. If you're panicking when you're on a drawdown, it means you have too much risk on that trade. Okay. Can you analyze the 4 hour chart on gold? We're currently on the 1 hour. So yeah. Um, don't add position in drawdown. It depends. It depends. If you had the proper risk management and you didn't use all your risk on the first entry, maybe you could do another entry when you're in a drawdown. But it's a little bit of a it takes a little bit of an experience to manage that as well. Okay, I wouldn't advise it as a beginner. So can I win the giveaway? It will really be helpful. Ariane, the giveaway is random. It literally might be anyone that wins. I don't um pick based on the comments. Swing trading or intraday. Whatever works for you. They all work. Whatever works for you. See, all trading strategies seem to work. You just need to pick one that works for you. Okay. One trading strategy might work for you, it might not work for someone else. Why? Because of the way you manage it. Part of trading or placing trades is also managing the trade, knowing when to enter, knowing when to cut your losses, etc. Swing trading requires patience, but it also gives you um the freedom of placing the trade and not being on the charts all day. Yeah, Dino, if it's working for you, I recommend if it's 1 to 1 or 1 to 2, whatever works for you. If you're wondering why I'm wearing a big jacket right now on the stream, I've been feeling really cold, so I'm just trying to warm up. Okay, um, yeah, just in case anyone's wondering. Um, I think I will short gold, just wait break 3990 and wait price pull back. I usually do this, but let's see. Yeah, let's see. I would need to see how it closes below the 3990 level for me to consider a position. It's not just a close I'm looking for, it's also how the price is moving in that zone. Gold will crush by 50%. Moyo, let's see. What time frame are you gonna take the sell on gold? So I analyze based on the 4 hour or the 1 hour, but on the lower time frames, I look for specific entries. So yeah, we're waiting for confirmation, Dino. Guys, do me a favor. Everyone that's watching the stream, go on the AquaTV live Instagram page and comment on the recent picture. The recent picture that just posted shortly. Just comment on it. And make sure you're following the page as well. We might be doing a giveaway on there as well. Do I trade silver? Not really. Ariane, I don't trade silver. Yeah, the IG. Let me comment the IG Aqua TV live. That's the IG. Make sure you comment on the recent picture. How many days did it take you to pass a challenge account, and how many trades did you make per day? World Mirror, that depends. There is no set time frame for when you'll pass an account. That's not something I can comment on. I don't want to set an unrealistic time frame in your mind. Um, take your time. If it's a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, whatever, as long as you pass, you pass. There is no rush. And then once you pass, you can scale up. Today's giveaway details. Yeah, I'll give the details shortly. Guys, just keep watching the stream. Make sure you like the stream. Let's go to pound JPY. Let me see what's going on. Yeah, pound JPY currently bearish. What I need to see is a breaking close below this level. Okay, I need a close below this level, the 202.330. If we can get that close, I would target the next zone for GJ, which is 200.445. Okay. GU currently above this zone. Can it respect it, or will it drop and break below? We're going to find out. Pound New Zealand. Interesting. I commented on the IG page. Okay. What's your bias on Australian dollar? I'm not currently looking at Australian dollar kickoff. Commented and posted you on my story. Okay, then, Julia. Sarah commented on the page. Okay, guys, just keep watching the stream. I'll give you the details on the giveaway. Let me answer some more questions. If you have any more questions, let me know. I want to answer some questions today. I know we had a lot yesterday. What pairs are you guys looking at now? Are you guys waiting for gold, or are you currently in another setup? Yeah, everyone that commented, I see you, I've seen it. Okay. I'm in gold too. Any advice when it comes to trading crypto? I don't really trade crypto, so I don't like giving advice on what I don't know, you know? Do you think it's good to analyze any pair? I don't know what you mean by that, Benson, but if you mean like analyzing a lot of pairs, I speak about this all the time. I always say make sure to stick to a few pairs. Don't analyze or trade every single pair. Makes no sense. Gold starting to go down. Okay. I'm currently on a buy on Australian dollar. Okay. Nice. Also, I'm not fixed on the short position on gold, right? It can be bullish. It can definitely head towards the upside. We're just waiting for confirmation, either or. Um, when news comes and you have active trade, do you close the trade or you just let it be? Good question. I don't close the trade. If you're confident on your trade and you followed your strategy, then maybe the news will create more volatility for that trade to perform better. Okay. But you don't need to close the trade. If you have your stops in place, then you're good. But again, it's a case by case, it's a trade by trade basis. Some trades I might close it, but it takes time for you to pick up on the skill on when to close a trade. Good morning, Trisom. Good morning. Everyone that commented, I see your comments. Everyone that's commenting, I've seen it. We can trade news and I can't speak. Open a Discord ticket to Dino. I don't trade futures. News trading is sometimes like gambling. Not really. Mahfuza, welcome, welcome. You're always on these streams. I see that. Um, yeah, we're just about maybe 100 pips away from the zone we're looking at with gold. Are you guys gonna place any gold trades today? Let me know. Comment below. Today being Friday, are you guys gonna place any trades? Yeah, Dino, exactly. Today use spin for giveaway. How many pips is maximum to risk on each trade setup? Kickoff again, that would depend on you. Okay. That's why I recommend backtesting. Backtesting. You need to backtest what works best. How many pips do you need um, for that trade to perform good? And that only can be answered from backtesting. When it comes to setting up stop losses, usually what I recommend is putting your stop losses at an area that price respects more. So just in between zones. Welcome, Kadri. Welcome. What do I mean by that? So, like, random example, let me show you. So let's just say let's say right now I was to place, hypothetically, I was to place a sell on Euro USD. The aim, so let's say I'm going short, right? You want to put your stop loss. This is a zone, right? This is the resistance zone. Putting your stop loss right above these zones or below these zones makes it a better stop area to have than just putting it based on, oh, I want 10 pips risk, you know? Um, that's my belief. I've always had the belief of make the stops um, in between areas of support or resistance. But it depends though. It's not always the case again, but try to do that as well. Guys, if you're watching, make sure you click on the like button on this stream. So I captured 160 pips today. Sell. I'm done for the day as of now. I came here for learning purposes. Okay, well done. Well done on catching that. Was it with gold, Ariane? Make sure you don't overtrade. Make sure you don't give back to the markets. Don't get overconfident and start thinking, you know what, I could do another 100 pips. You know, I'm feeling lucky. My mind is really saying don't trade today. Well, listen to yourself then, Dino. Gold. Okay, nice, nice. Was that long or short on gold, Ariane? So as I said, I'm done for the day. Really good at my psychology. Done for the day means for the day, right? Yeah. You know what? I'm ready to give away the first account. Who's ready for the 50K futures? Say I'm ready. I want to give away an account right now. If you're ready, say you're ready. Make sure you're liking this stream, yeah? I'm gonna tell you guys the details on the giveaway now. So give me a second. Rubbing my hands like Batman. Simple. First person to guess the number from 1 to 30 wins a 50K futures account starting now. Okay. Starting now, 50K futures. First person to guess a number between 1 and 30 wins. Oh, that was quick. That was very quick. Ivan, congratulations on winning the 50K futures account. Normally, you know, when I say 1 to 30, it takes a little bit of time for someone to guess the number. Everyone say congrats to Ivan. Okay, the number is 17. Okay, 50K futures. We're going to be giving away some more accounts right now as well. So that's Ivan. Well done. All right, next up, we're going to be giving away a 10K Forex account. Okay, 10K Forex account. Now, what I need you guys to do is this. I need you to go on the recent picture of the Instagram. So the Instagram, I'm going to tell you, AquaTV Live. I put it in the comments. AquaTV Live. Go on the Instagram. Comment on the recent picture of mine. It can be anything. Um, Dini, can I get 10K funded? My country is restricted for futures. All right, guys, you know what? Even better. iPhone, you're getting the 10K Forex. Okay. So I'll just switch it up right now. Guys, pause. Okay. Yeah, make sure you guys are still commenting on the Instagram. It still counts. But iPhone, I'll give you the 10K Forex. But right now, in terms of the 50K futures, we're going to give that to someone else. So, guys, even better, I'm going to pick a random comment on the recent Instagram picture from AquaTV Live, and that person wins the 50K futures, not the 10K Forex, 50K futures account. Okay. I'm going to put a timer for 1 minute. After 1 minute, I'll put the um, link of that Instagram picture on a random selector, and we're going to find out who the winner is. Okay. Make sure you guys get that done. Comment on the Instagram picture. AquaTV Live is the username. Okay. Gold starting to pull back for 4,010 is about to approach. Guys, you guys commented, so I'm gonna start picking the winner. Make sure you go on the Instagram page to get a chance to win. You guys all done? Comment below if you're done. Done. Okay, let's go. Okay, time to select the winner of the 50K futures account. The winner of the 50K futures account is Shubham Goyal _28. Okay. Shubham Goyal _28. Congratulations on winning the 50K futures account. Next up, we're going to be giving away a 10K Forex account. All right, guys, pick a number from 1 to 20 starting now. 1 to 20. I'm going to pick a random winner. 1 to 20 right now for a chance to win a 10K Forex account. 1 to 20. We already have a winner. Aspirant Trader. Well, welcome, Aspirant Trader. Well done on winning the 10K Forex account. Well done. Everyone say congrats to him. We're still giving away some more accounts, guys. Don't be disappointed if you didn't win. We're going to be giving away 3 more accounts, actually. But to everyone that's won already, make sure you open a Discord ticket. Open a Discord ticket and say that you've won, show proof. Yeah, hopefully you'll get it. I guess I'm not lucky. Don't say that, Arian. I might just pick a random comment. I literally, for the next few accounts, I just might pick a random comment. Maybe. Yeah, back to gold. Gold currently in between these zones 4020 and 3990. We need to see more action. Okay, it's consolidating. Usually I don't like consolidation. Okay, we're gonna see if we can look at pound pairs though. GJ, nothing there. Why are you not picking me? I always post you on my IG stories. Yeah, appreciate it, Juliet. Guys, if you have any trading questions, I want to answer starting now. I want to answer as many trading questions as possible. Okay. So, any trading questions you have, comment below. Gold went up. Yeah, it's currently going up. Let's see though. What strategy do I use? I use a 20% strategy. It's a strategy that I made around 2019, yeah. It used to be called a 50% strategy, and then we tweaked it to 20% strategy. I'm on a 5-minute time frame. Any solutions for FOMO been struggling lately? Mark, what I recommend is just understanding that you are in this game or in this industry for a long time. Okay. So having the fear of missing out on a trade is not ideal because that would be like saying, oh, if you miss that trade, there's not another one that you can trade. There's always another one. Having FOMO as a trader makes no sense because there's always gonna be another trade. Always. There's no shortage of trades. Okay. Can you elaborate the 20% strategy? It's a private strategy that I don't speak about publicly. When will you do the giveaway? Shortly, Zone FX. Been a tough week, mate. Losses, but thanks for the advice. Listen, Mark, don't give up. What's something that you've been doing when it comes to those losses? Are you repeating the same mistakes? Is it your risk management? Let me know. How to get the account? Aspiring trader, like I said, open a ticket with the Discord team and tell them that you've won a giveaway on this stream. You're welcome, Chisom. Open ticket, yeah. I think failing to journal your trades is also a poor thing to do as a trader. Definitely. We're getting some more bullish action with gold right now. Not necessarily all the way, but let's see, is it going to respect this zone? Okay, that's the most important thing. In terms of it going up, a level that I'm looking at is a break and a close above 4027. If it can close above here, um, might be room for more bullish action. Okay. Does it work on all assets, gold especially? Yep, it works on gold and pound pairs. I've been trading with a consistency score, but been trying to make the daily target, but went into deep drawdown. Now it takes longer to get to the profit target. Yeah, I mean, it's just a psychology thing, Mark. You feel like you're slower now that you're not reaching the target. It's not the fact that you won't reach it. It's just the fact that you are mentally down right now. You're feeling down. So just don't feel down. Sir, why are you not replying to me? What did he say? Can I share an amazing trading tip? You are gonna like it. Sure, Ariane. Go ahead. Can the strategy be used for different time frames, say on the 1 hour and 15 minute? The strategy is the entry is done on 1 minute, and the analysis is done on the 1 hour and the 4 hour. We need a lot more volume with gold. Hopefully, maybe starting next week we get that. Let's see. Coming up with a strategy, wow. Yeah, so the way I came about with the strategy that I currently use is this. I remember I was going through a massive losing streak in 2018, more or less 2019. And I lost a lot of hope. I was losing a lot. I felt like I was gambling. I felt like I didn't have a strategy. I felt like I was trading based on emotions. And I was literally like, if I felt like a buy, I would buy. If I felt like selling, I would sell. And so I reached a point where I said to myself, you know what? I'm going to give myself one more chance. I need to figure out something that I can repeat. Why am I always trading based on different rules? Right. So I gave myself one last chance, and I remember spending like 8 hours a day, 9 hours a day on the charts every single day, trying to come up with something that I can replicate because I needed consistency. It's easy to win a trade when you're gambling in the markets, but to consistently win and be profitable, that's going to require a system. And I realized that I can't treat the system, I can't treat the charts. Okay. So I had to come up with a strategy. And then that's when I started backtesting. And that's when I discovered a pattern in the market. And that's when I came up with the 20% strategy that I use now. In terms of strategies, one advice that I have is don't expect what works today to work for 5 years or 2 years or 3 years. You got to always tweak a strategy a little bit, okay? Because the market is always changing. If you take fixed RR, but when you think market can give an amazing movement, then on 1 to 2, just book 50%, put your stop loss on break even and take your TP to the movement. Yeah, I mean, I do recommend that. But again, Aryan, not every beginner can manage a trade like that. Okay. Putting stops on break even, all of that, I don't recommend it from day one. I don't. Because what a lot of people do, and I've seen this, is they put stops on break even, price hits the stop. They haven't lost anything, but they haven't made anything. Now they feel discouraged. They want to go in, revenge trade, and all of that. So, yeah. Backtesting can destroy your ego. I learned the hard way. I even question myself. Not really. Backtesting is just something that you do to test your thesis, your strategy, your system, okay, and test its profitability. Gold is starting to push up right now. I'm again here not to try my luck. Let's see if you win on Saha. Let's see if you win. Who thinks gold is going to break above the 4026 level? Or do you think it's faking us out? iPhone, are you in a short for gold? Let me know. And again, if you're watching the stream and you want to get a discount, make sure you use the code AquaTV. If you use the code AquaTV, you get 45% off of a Forex account and also 65% off of a futures account. The code is AquaTV. It can't go past yesterday's high. I mean, with gold, anything is possible. Either or, if we get some more bullish action going on, then I would need a close above these levels for me to consider a long. Yeah, gold has a mind of its own. You can never predict what gold's going to do at times. One thing we like about gold, though, is the volatility. Okay, has a lot of the volatility. It might take you an hour or so for you to make 100 pips with certain pound pairs, but with gold, that's maybe a minute, 10 minutes, few minutes at best. Depending on the day, depending on the volume. But yeah. Sir, can we buy now? No, no, we are not buying right now. Okay. We are waiting to buy or sell. I don't recommend just getting in a trade because, oh, now it's going up. Let me buy. That makes no sense. Okay. You got to be patient. Am I from South Africa? No, I'm not from South Africa. Arian, being busy in general is important as a trader. You cannot be on the charts all day long. Your mind's going to get fried. Okay. I recommend taking a trade with confidence and then going about your day. We're going to be giving away the next account. Guys, who's ready? Say, I am ready. Who's ready for the next account giveaway? All right, the next account is a 50K futures account. Gold's starting to pull back, by the way. Let's see. It's right under a zone that I would say it might start to respect. We're gonna find out. Okay. Something tells me we're gonna have a lot more volume shortly. Yeah, 50K futures account. First person to guess a number between 1 and 20 wins a 50K futures account. Okay, 50K futures account. Guess a number from 1 to 20. And I'm going to pick the first person that picked it. You guys can't complain that you're not winning. If you get lucky, you get lucky. That's just how it is. I don't decide. Oh, we have a winner. Juliet Ariane. Juliet Ariane. It's crazy how you were saying, I hope I win. But Juliet Ariane, congratulations on winning the 50K futures account. I literally have that number on ChatGPT and 8. So ChatGPT decided that you're a winner today. So well done on winning the 50K futures account. All right. Next up, we have the 10K Forex account. Okay, we're going to be giving away 2 more accounts. The next person to guess a number from 1 to 20 gets a 10K Forex account. Okay, 10K Forex account to the next person that guesses a number from 1 to 20. Ahmed FXG, well done on winning the 10K Forex account. Okay, well done, Ahmed FXG. I want to give this the last. Guys, let me know. Is it fair if I pick one person from the comments that I think kind of deserves an account? Even though, by the way, I will not be picking a winner based on anyone that spams, but I want to pick someone. So I'm gonna pick someone that I want to win, and that's Om Saha. Om Saha, I want to pick you for the last account, which is the 10K Forex account, Om Saha. I've been seeing your comments, and I feel like I want to give the account for you. So, everyone, say congrats to the winners, please. Don't feel disappointed if you didn't win. $10K Forex account to Om Saha. Guys, make sure you're liking this stream. We're literally analyzing gold live right now. To all the winners. So now everyone that's won the giveaway, what you have to do, and by the way, someone said I've been in the comments too. I told you I will pick a random comment, and I came through with my word. Okay, that's why I picked Saha. But guys, make sure to any of the winners, if you're watching still, open a Discord ticket, say that you've won, show proof you are the account owner. Okay. Good luck with your accounts and everything. Moving on. I want to see if GJ is okay. We're still waiting for that. Pound New Zealand approaching this zone. I did say if it breaks below and closes below 2.29410, might be interested in going short. And again, if you didn't win, don't feel disappointed. If you use the code AquaTV, the code is literally on the screen, you get 45% off of a Forex account or 65% a futures account. Okay, code is AquaTV. I go live Mondays, Thursdays, and Fridays. Okay, make sure you click on the notification bell to be alerted. I'm assuming you guys are waiting for gold as well. Some of you guys are still waiting on a possible short with gold still. But guys, that's the end of this stream today. I expected a lot more volume today, to be honest, but it seems like there's literally no volume across different pairs, especially the way I trade. But really love seeing the same familiar faces, the names Ivan, Dino, all of you guys. I'm gonna be seeing you on Monday, guys. Monday, I'm gonna be seeing you. I appreciate everyone for joining the stream. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next stream. Peace.